it may become a habit for you to just have genius thoughts, because you have a connection to the unified field and you can download new information. You may start acting like a person that commands matter, somehow expressing a greater level of the divine through her or through him. That's who you're walking as. And you're feeling so blessed to be alive and so grateful for the moment, so in love with life, so free, that your body's being conditioned into that future. You don't know why you feel that way, but your body has been conditioned to feel that way, just like you used to be conditioned to feeling guilt or suffering or pain. You've just reconditioned it to a new mind, and it's connected to a new future.
Let's pack a bag and follow the sun. Kick off your shoes and have some fun. And get ready, get set, let's go. If we never go, we'll never know. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high. So grab somebody, do-si-do, 'cause life's a dance floor, don't you know? Hey, there's electricity in the air, so come join the party if you dare. 'Cause you and I, oh yeah, we could fly so high, so high.
Don't you want to know the part of yourself that's running a subconscious program that keeps your dreams from manifesting? So aware of it, so conscious of it, that you want to light it on fire, not because of any other reason, because now you just don't want to be that person any longer, because you had to sit with yourself for that long. More you're committed to your personality in this space and time, the harder it is to create a personality beyond space and time.
Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Time keeps on slipping, slipping, slipping into the future. Lord, I wanna fly like an eagle to the sea. Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry me. Wanna fly like an eagle till I'm free. Oh Lord, there's a solution. Time keeps on slipping.
I want to push you to the end of your emotional belief. Right on the other side of that is the new life that you're creating. Take a moment and go for a walk and change your energy and open your heart again and represent yourself to the world. This is the retreat where you get to sit in the fire. This is the retreat where you get to become nobody, no one, no thing, nowhere, and no time. That I was going to challenge you physically. I was going to challenge you chemically. And I was going to challenge you emotionally, because none of those parts of yourself belong in your future if they make you feel bad. The phoenix has to burn itself on fire voluntarily. That means then that part of the old self has to burn away to such a degree that when you return back to your life, there's no part of that within you. Sitting in the fire and watching it burn away because you believe in a future more now. That I'm going to learn new things along the way, because that's my journey back to the unified field.
Fly like an eagle, let my spirit carry me. I want to fly like an eagle.